Look at this view, man. Look at this view. I am Batman. काला काला सब कुछ काला है. I move like the main character. Every day. It's 4:42, and we are going on a short ride, a Sunday ride with some of my friends. We have to be at the meetup point by 5, and I think I am a little late. I'm cold starting the bike right now. We'll leave as soon as it is done. Chalo, let's go. What's a little morning ride without the famous traffic of Bengaluru? Oh man, there's traffic at 5 in the morning. Come on. I've almost reached. So, I shall go get fueled up. Chalo, let's go. This is a little long way, but I didn't expect to take this left here. That's fine. I need to come here. Is it open? I'm not sure that it's open. The first guy is, I think, reached. Let's see. Hello. ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಾನು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ನಾನು ಪಕ್ಕದ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬರೀ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 2 minutes ಬಂದೆ. ಅವರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯೂಕ್ 200, ಒಂದು ಅಪಾಚಿ 160 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಾ? ಅವರೇ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ. ಸರಿ. Okay, so everyone's reached. So I think it's better I come back and fuel. I don't want to keep them waiting, so let's just go. That is the good thing to do. I thought I'll be early, man. Damn, I am the late one today. Usually I am the one who's on time to these things. This should be more than enough fuel. We'll fuel up while coming back.
Strategy. I came up from nothing but sanity. Now my past can't get mad at me. Used to ride late nights, low gas in the tank. Now I pull up clean and they act like they knew me. Funny how success makes stranger relate, but they weren't around when the world tried to screw me. I learned real early, nobody's saving you. Pain teach discipline quicker than school. I built myself when nobody believed.
Where are these boys?
Asking for proof. I don't talk big, I just move correct. Every step calculated, no useless flex. They posting fake lives, I'm posting progress. I got peace now. That's the real success.
I am late.
All our friends, I gained vision. Yeah. I stopped waiting for permission.
I am late.
I stopped caring who was watching when I realized I was the mission. I walk in.
Hi bro, I'm Nikhil. और भाई तेजा को लेट करवा दिया मगा आरामा. Hey भाई. Super. How are you? इसने मेरे को भी कॉल किया. ಇವಾಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, so we're all met up. हाँ है ना.
Now I'm up in the silent again. I don't flex for attention online.
Okay, so one Speed 400, one Apache 160, one Duke 200. Let's go. That's the lineup for today. Oh. No. The 160 keeps up, man. The 160 actually keeps up. Okay, so the context of the ride. We are going to Mandaragiri Betta and Mydala Lake for the sunrise. So that is just a 55-60 kilometers from here. That should be a comfortable ride. Oh, the barn mirror looks good on that, man. Okay, so let's introduce. That's Tanush on the Tram Speed 400 and on the Duke 200 it's Teja. On the Apache 160 the one who's riding it is Adarsh and the one sitting behind him is Karthik. Yes, so we are away from the highway onto the inner roads. I think we almost reached. I've never been on this road, but the other road, yeah, I've been there. We can now see the hill. That's good. No, but the thing is, we wanted to be on top before this. So, before this weather. But the sun is not up, but it is bright enough. क्या समझा नहीं, फिर से बोल। अरे ये क्या है? ನಾನು ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಈ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾ ಹಾ. Look at this view, man. Look at this view. The idea. Wow. Every time I see this, I have no other words but wow. Let's go up and then come down. Hmm, 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock अंदर कर रहे हैं. Okay. जा सकते हैं लेकिन ऊपर वहाँ से आजा. I am Batman. काला काला सब कुछ काला है. क्या? सब काला है. So this opens at 6 o'clock. The gate was closed, so we thought we'll stay here and go, but no, it's open. चलो चलो. Let's go. Back चलेगा ना? That looks good.
I rewrite the rules they thought were set. Doomsday came without warning, sirens, not explosions, collapsing science. A villain born from human.
We are heading back. Done with the sunrise.
Cities falling without a war. Machines attacking who they're for. They trusted
We will go have some breakfast maybe and then leave home.
in a bedroom light, running simulations every night. If gods won't guard this planet anymore, then mortals gotta take the floor.
ये लोग पूरा निकल गए. At least you should have seen the lake, na?
The world and vanished in flame, but you left a question, not
Acha,
just
okay.
a name. The hero isn't the man in the sky, it's the one who stands up and hope runs dry. I never met you, still you taught me the future's built, not destiny. If
ನಿಂದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎತ್ತು ನಾನು ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ.
we adapt, a new
Yes.
protector has to be
ಏರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಸಿರ್ತೀಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ? ಅಬ್ಬಾ ನಂದು ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. 2 ದಿವಸ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. Done with photo shoots. Got crazy pictures. To see them, you can actually go see them on my Instagram page. You can find the link in the description. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಣ. ಬಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. Here at Udupi Grand. Breakfast. So we'll have breakfast and then the road again. Chalo, we're done with breakfast. On to home. I didn't fuel up at all, man. Okay, let's. Up.
It's the part where the mash drops.
Why is this thing vibrating so much? Everyone left. Me and others are the last ones to leave. So I'm just waiting for him to go ahead. Hate to end a ride with this kind of traffic, man. Riding on the empty roads is one thing. Coming back into the city with this kind of traffic is another thing. Yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in another one. Ride safe.